some paving. And then there's seats. More seats. And then there's a table. Ow! And then there's these foldable seats. And then, how am I going to get up? I got it. And there's a driver's seat and a passenger seat. And then there's a downstairs, steep stairs. There's bathroom. What's the point? Because you can't even get. Oh. There's a lock to lock it. And there's sticks. And there's a stair up to the, and there's lights. And then there's a cabinet, I think. Well, didn't expect there to be actual clothes in there. And then you can open it by like pushing this like that. And there's a TV. And then there's like a secret sleeping area. Cause that, yeah, there's like, this is for like, yeah, like secret. And then there's like soundproof. And there's some lights that look sensory. You can change the colour of them. You can have it white. You can have it red. Yep, perfect. And there's another one over here. White. Red. And there's some more storage like for the kids' clothes and stuff. That's the parents' bed and this is the kids' bed. And then they share a bathroom because it doesn't look like there's a bathroom in there. And then they like get these pillows and yeah. What's there? Oh, here's where they put the pillows. Kinda. Like that. They like lean it against like that. Like that. And they obviously bring their own pillows because they can't just sleep like this. Put the pillows like there. That would be a good like, yeah, and it's like that. I don't know what it is. More for food. And then there's more. Oh, bag. Stairs. Up. And then you go up. More stairs. It's different to the other one. Because there's a seat here. And there's like a big place where you can lay. Yeah, I can play the drums. And it's like good for bouncing. And let's go around this way. There's like a speaker. I don't know what that is. Whoa.
That's for your rubbish.
Sink.
I'll show you another one.
they do. What's this?
Hold on. Mummy's wine. You put your ice cream in there.
Freezer and fridge.
That's it.
Freezer, close it. Is there more?
No.
But like